Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Spring is the season of tung blossoms, and in the Tunglua township of Miaoli County, the special Hakka-themed cultural park is a place to experience the beauty of the snowy white tung blossoms. While admiring the blossoms, visitors can also see traditional Hakka three-sided courtyard houses, special architecture, and exhibitions of traditional Hakka wedding customs.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.Hello,
大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello,
大家好，我係 Josephine. And last month we just wrapped up our live broadcast in Miaoli, and it was beautiful over there. And I know there's a lot of Hakka culture in Miaoli. I thought Leo should tell us more and introduce us to more scenery in Miaoli. Leo 自己本身是苗栗人，对不对？
没错啊，
that's right. He's from Miaoli, so he should tell us more and introduce us more to, again, things we can find in Miaoli.
现在这个时节是那个油桐花盛开的时节，
快到了哈，
对啊，
是4、5月的时候嘛
，4、5月其实这一段时间它都会开花，
就可能会开始开花了，
对，陆续开花了。
That's right. The tongue flower blossom is about to happen. It usually happens in April and May, but around March 3月可能就开始有一点在开花了。
对。
It's going to start this month. 那去哪里看最好看呢？
好，我今天介绍这个是苗栗县的铜锣乡。铜锣乡，它那有一个叫做桐花落发公园。
桐花落发公园哦，桐花的
乐活公园，现在很流行的。
Lohas. Okay, so this is a park dedicated to the tongue blossom, to the tongue flowers. 哎，你说在哪一个乡？铜锣乡哦。
对，铜锣乡。
铜锣乡 ，OK， 这个香港有铜锣湾，那这个台湾有铜锣乡哦。
日本有铜锣烧。
哎，对，没错，不错，铜锣乡。Okay, that's found in Miaoli County. What else can we find in this park?
当然有喽，除了油桐花之外，他们还有一个客家的凤凰舞。
凤凰舞，哎，这好像有教过，哎，是不是？
有，一定有。
三合院那种。
三合院，对，三合院。
That's right. You can also visit the traditional Hakka three-sided courtyard houses that is located in this park, so you can indulge yourself in the traditional architecture from the Hakka culture. So let's review these terms, okay? 桐花乐活公园。
桐花落发公园。
桐花落发公园。Okay, that is the tongue blossom park that you can find in Miaoli County in the township of 铜锣乡.
铜锣乡.
And don't forget to visit the traditional Hakka architecture, 这个三合院.
凤凰舞.
And there you have it. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.